What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Azhane, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I installed this T-part wig. Y'all, I said it, it's a T-part wig. Y'all know how I feel about T-part wigs, but they did the thing. So this wig is by UNice hair from their Amazon branch. Definitely go and check them out. This is a really quick install. I did bleach the knots, but other than that, like, this is something anybody can just install. It is so good for like beginners because you could just throw it on and go, like, so serious. But this is a 22-inch highlighted wig, and I do recommend this. I'm not really big on T-part wigs, so for me to say that I like this wig means a lot, because yeah, I don't really go for stuff like this because my forehead, look at my forehead is very wide. So usually these T-part wigs don't fit properly, but you know, this one actually worked out, and I'm actually really pleased with it. I love the color, I love the length, and yeah. So I'm doing this just like any other wig install. I don't like to do the bald cap method anymore, just because it just can get in the way. I don't know. Recently it just hasn't been working for me, so I just slide my wig cap back and put the glue like right above my hairline, sometimes on my hairline, depending on, you know, I don't know. It depends on how I feel like doing it that day. Sometimes I want to cover up my forehead, sometimes I don't. But yeah, this was really easy to install. You'll see, like, literally all I did was glue it down and do my edges and curled it. Like, that was it. So yeah, guys, that is the wig install. I hope you guys do like it. I think it's super pretty, and I think I look pretty in this clip too. What do y'all think? But yeah, please check this hair out. Everything you need to know will be in my description box down below. This wig is from Amazon, so it should not be hard to find. I did end up straightening it so you guys can see how it looks straight. It is super pretty. I love the color, and I also added layers in the front with using a hair cutting razor. I just sliced it down, and look, that's cute. I don't know if you can see right there, but I sliced it right there. Yeah. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all at Your Pink Pillow, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.